do a quick run through and review of the Avengers Station here in Las Vegas. You ready?
Yep.
Welcome to the Avengers Station, the Scientific Training and Tactical Intelligence Operative Network. My name is Maria Hill.
Good. Shield testing area.
I was not a Captain America fan before.
But
Now I am.
now you're riding on the actual motorcycle that was in the movie. And there it is on the screen. But you need your hair blowing.
Yep. Come on, boys. Go ahead. You do it.
That's it. The Vision Regeneration Room. Very cool.
He does season fun stuff.
Yeah.
He was telling Captain America how he collected all the scars.
Oh, that guy. Yes. Yeah.
He dies though, don't he?
Yes, he does.
But he is in several things.
Take me on a tour here.
Well.
So we start over here, right?
Yeah, over here.
Iron Man.
Here.
Okay.
This one's my favorite.
This one right here?
This one's my favorite.
Okay, because this is
It's the
Mark
most
1.
creative.
Mark 1, it's my, yeah.
And we walk through and we see his suits advance.
Mark 2, 3, 4.
I still think that one's the coolest though.
Here's the one.
In Endgame.
What?
Mark 5 was used in Endgame.
Endgame. Nice. All right, we just finished up at the Avengers place. Station.
Avengers Station.
What did y'all think?
Good.
You like it?
Great.
So, if someone wanted to come here, you would recommend it?
Yes.
But I would say not unless they're avid Avenger fans. Would you say that?
Yeah.
I mean, if you're a total Avenger fan, then this is a good place to come. If not, there's lots of things to do in Vegas.